This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kathi Maffit. Bring a picnic and explore. This acreage will remind you of a state park, and you'll want to spend the day hiking from the nearly level bottom to the spectacular view at the top. Terrain varies from gently rolling hills to steep mountainside, but there are plenty of building sites. Property is situated on both sides of the road, 55+ acres on the north side, and 10+ acres on the south. Two sides of 55 acres borders U.S. National Forest, mixed conifer and hardwood forest with seasonal creek. Private. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathi Maffit at 501-525-1466.